Color Guard rails, great product, great company that stands behind them, easy to install, easy to get. There's multiple locations around here where I can get them. If you ever run short of something, you know that you're not going to have to be waiting weeks for the stuff to come in. Best post out there. I do use a few different brands of railings, and I insist on using the Patriot Post. Very easy to install, and over, I would say, the last 15 years that I've been using it, haven't had one problem with it. So great product, and I know I have a good company behind me. American made is very big. Where I'm from here in Buffalo, there's a company called Made in America, and they've gone across the country, and something in the Buffalo market, it means a lot to the customers. They're always asking, and I'm very happy to say we have a product that comes straight out of Wisconsin over here. Business overall, Modern Decks and Railings. We focus on vinyl decks and vinyl railings. What we seem to do the most of is porch reskins, where you come in and peel the wrought iron railings off, put vinyl decking over the top, and vinyl railings in. And the nice thing with the Color Guard, when you're replacing vinyl over wrought iron's a smaller product. People are used to the smaller product, and a lot of the vinyl rails that are out there are big, bulky, and a little overwhelming for the customer, so the Color Guard fits well. Love the brackets. I've been using your aluminum rails for a long time. The new brackets definitely cut down about 75% of the installation time. It's very easy. It's a one-piece bracket. I'm very, very, very happy that you guys switched over. I've been using your product for the last 15 years, and I hope to use it for the next 15.